This video introduces the Week 1 assignment for digital photography, applying composition. This week you'll practice 4 basic composition techniques: horizontal, vertical, diagonal, and proportional rule of thirds. It's recommended that you shoot at least 10 of each shot and then submit your best ones for the assignment and discussion. You will need to edit and choose your images prior to submission. Don't crop your images with the image editing program. Instead, crop them in the camera. That means get closer to your subject if you need. Submit them as you shoot them. You will submit all 4 images to the Week 1 Dropbox and 1 image to the discussion. We'll get started looking at horizontal and vertical. For the horizontal image, you will need to hold the camera in a horizontal camera orientation as shown in the left image. For the vertical, you'll hold the camera in vertical orientation as shown on the right image. Horizontal photographs should show a feeling of rest or repose. Objects parallel to the Earth are at rest in relation to gravity. Therefore, compositions in which horizontal lines dominate tend to be quiet and restful in feeling. Holding the camera in the horizontal position is required. Vertical photographs portray a feeling of importance. Erect lines seem to extend upwards beyond human reach towards the sky. They are often dominant in public architecture, from cathedrals to corporate headquarters. Vertical lines communicate a feeling of loftiness and spirituality. Extended perpendicular lines suggest an overpowering grandeur, beyond ordinary human measure. Holding the camera in the vertical position is required. Diagonal lines suggest a feeling of movement or direction. Since objects in a diagonal position are unstable in relation to gravity, being neither vertical nor horizontal, they are either about to fall or already in motion. In a two-dimensional composition, diagonal lines are also used to indicate depth, an illusion of perspective that pulls the viewer into a picture, creating an illusion of space that one could move about within. If a feeling of movement or speed is desired, or a feeling of activity, diagonal lines can be used. Horizontal or vertical formats are okay. Deliberate camera tilting can be used to enhance diagonals. Proportion refers to the size relationship of visual elements to each other and to the whole picture. One of the reasons proportion is often considered important in composition is that viewers respond to it emotionally. Proportion in art has been examined for hundreds of years, long before photography was invented. One proportion that is often cited as occurring frequently in design is the golden mean or golden ratio. In this assignment, you'll explore the rule of thirds. What you'll do is you'll divide your picture plane into thirds, both horizontally and vertically, and then place your focal point, which is your subject matter or area of interest, on any of the grid intersections. Take pictures at different angles with different compositions, and work around the rule of thirds. Explore all 6 quadrants, or the 4 intersecting grid lines. Move your camera around to put focal points in the grid intersections.